Hi. To start with the recipe, first,
Let's get our fettuccine pasta going. You'll need 250 grams of fettuccine, and we're going to cook it in a pot of salted boiling water. Make sure the water is at a rolling boil before adding the pasta. Cook it until it's al dente, which usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes. You'll know it's ready when it's firm to the bite, but not hard. Don't forget to reserve a cup of the pasta water before draining it. This starchy water is our secret weapon for adjusting the sauce later. Now let's move on to the bacon. In a large pan, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat. Add 250 grams of bacon cut into small pieces. Cook the bacon until it's browned and crispy, which should take about 5 to 7 minutes. Once the bacon is ready, add 1 small onion, finely chopped, and cook for another 2 minutes until the onion becomes translucent. This step is crucial because the onion will add a sweet depth to our sauce. By the way, since many of you ask about this non-stick frying pan that I use, after trying several, I found one that really makes a difference. I'll leave a link in the video description in case you're interested. Next, it's time to add the mushrooms. You'll need 120 grams of mushrooms, sliced. Toss them into the pan with the bacon and onion. Cook the mushrooms until they're golden brown, which should take about 5 minutes. You'll know they're ready when they shrink in size and develop a nice color. Add 2 cloves of garlic, minced, and cook for just 30 seconds. Be careful not to burn the garlic, as it can turn bitter quickly. Now comes an important step, deglazing the pan. Pour in a splash of white wine and a bit of chicken stock, just enough to cover the bottom of the pan. Use a wooden spoon to scrape up any bit stuck to the pan. This process will add a lot of flavor to your sauce. Cook until the liquid is mostly absorbed, which should take about 2 to 3 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the pan looks almost dry. Let's continue with the creamy part of our sauce. Pour in 300 milliliters of heavy cream and bring it to a gentle simmer. Let it cook for about 5 minutes, until the sauce thickens slightly. You'll know it's thick enough when it coats the back of a spoon. Season the sauce with salt and pepper to taste. Remember, the bacon is salty, so taste before adding too much salt. Now, it's time to bring everything together. Add the cooked fettuccine to the pan with the sauce. Toss everything together until the pasta is well coated. If the sauce seems too thick, add a bit of the reserved pasta water, a little at a time, until you reach your desired consistency. The trick is to have a silky sauce that clings to the pasta without being too runny. Finally, serve your creamy bacon and mushroom fettuccine hot. Top it with freshly grated Parmesan cheese and a sprinkle of black pepper. The cheese will melt into the sauce, adding a rich, savory finish. You'll know it's perfect when the cheese forms a creamy layer on top. Enjoy your meal, and remember, the key to this dish is balancing the flavors and textures for a truly satisfying experience. And that's how you make this delicious recipe. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this one.
bye.